Hey there. If you've ever left your barber feeling like you missed out on a chance to look your best, worry not. I've got 6 simple steps to make sure that disappointment is a thing of the past. Let's dive in. Before we move on to the video, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments and enhance yourself. 1. Find your style. Grab a mirror and take a good look at your face. Is it square-shaped? Go for a buzz cut or a French crop. Maybe a side part, quiff, or pompadour. If it's more diamond-shaped, think comb-over, crew cut, or textured quiff. And if you're blessed with an oval face, well, my friend, the hair world is your oyster. Pro tip 1.1. If your hairline is playing hard to get, grow out a fringe. No one needs to know about bad hair genetics. We'll keep it our little secret. 2. Confidence is key. We know, you've heard it a million times, but it's true. Strut into that barbershop like you own the place. Be clear, be direct, and hey, why not have a Pinterest-worthy reference picture ready? A picture's worth 1,000 words, especially when it comes to your dream haircut. 3. Do your homework. Don't settle for a dodgy barber. Check out the professionals in your area, the ones who know their stuff, won't break the bank, and won't leave you regretting your life choices. 4. Texture matters. Is your hair feeling a bit meh? Boost that volume. Use some curling product to add a bit of life to your locks. 5. Say no to dry cuts. Shaggy, messy, and ugly. Not on our watch. Always make sure your hair is soaking wet before the cut. A quick wash at the barber's can do wonders. 6. Stay consistent. Regular visits to the barber are the key to maintaining that polished look. Forget low maintenance if you want to turn heads. High maintenance? Now we're talking, because who doesn't want to look jaw-droppingly good? And there you have it, folks. Peace out and rock that new do.